So this was the classwork and the homework for this chapter. Chapter number 5. I have given you this in your Google Classroom, and it is there in your Google Classroom, and I had asked you कि you have to accomplish this task for the week, and this is not that much text, बहुत ज़्यादा कोई length नहीं है इसकी. MCQs are there for the chapter number 5, and then descriptive questions are there with very short answers, and then there is a small homework in which I ask you, okay, what is meant by shape tool. Shape tool, you know very well, using which we draw different kinds of shapes. And scratch area. Scratch area is the gray area. Apart from the text page, the white page, there is a gray area which is called a scratch area, on which we can place different objects after drawing, and then we can adjust it on the page. So this is your classwork and the homework. Now please raise the hand to tell me those who have written this classwork and the homework for chapter number 5, and this homework and classwork is not that much in the length, and I had asked you, okay, you have to complete it in your notebooks. Now please raise the hand and let me know. G. Raise the hand and let me know that you have done. This work is complete in your copies. Yes, please. G. Abdul Hadi.
Sir, I will complete it copy about the results.
One by one. Abdul Hadi.
I will complete it soon.
You have completed?
No, I'm saying I will complete it soon.
Why you haven't done when I have already given you 1 year before, 1 week before? It is your responsibility to complete this work. Okay? Muhammad Darab Hussain. Yes, Darab Hussain.
That's all I have done in my copy.
Complete? Completely done?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Good, Darab. Bilal Aslam. Yes, Bilal Aslam.
Yes, sir.
You have written this complete work in your copies?
No, sir.
Why not? Don't you have the time
Sir,
to work at home?
सर मैंने कॉपी करवा के रखा हुआ है अपने पास.
But the thing is that okay, I had asked you, okay, you need to write these all things in your copies.
Sorry, sir.
Complete this work in the copy. Adeen Ahmed. Yes.
Yes, sir, I have done.
Done. Complete.
Yes, sir.
Good. Saban Ali. Where is Saban Ali? You are in 6C, Saban Ali? Okay. Fine. So now what we are going to do, okay, the thing is that you have to complete all your work in your copies. It should be there. It is not that much lengthy work. It is a work not more than even half an hour. You can do it quite easily in your copies. So I don't think so that there is any problem to write this text in your copies. Okay. Now the lab activities that we had done, if you go to the previous work, you will be able to see that we had done the lab activity, which was basically the last lab activity. I am regularly uploading the video lectures, you know. Whenever I give you a lesson, I record it and I update it in your Google Classroom so that you can see and you can view it according to your requirement. Okay. So over here, the last lesson was there in which we discussed about the how to make a poster. You know how this was basically the lab activity number 2, how to make a poster. How to make a poster. Uh, for girls education. This was the topic. This was basically the lab activity that we were doing last time. Okay. So I had given you the complete video as you have already seen in your Google Classroom so that you can go through it whenever you want to have a review for it. You can go through it. You can see that what were different steps that we had taken to accomplish this lab activity. So basically this was the last work that we had done in our class. Yes, Soban Ali, why did you leave when I asked you something? Soban Ali, you are in 6C. Unmute your mic, Soban Ali. Yes, Soban. You are in which class?
Yes, sir.
You are in which class?
It's class 6C.
Class 6C. So when I was asking you about the notebook work, you have completed your class work and homework. Why did you leave the class?
Yes, no. Internet connection is poor.
Internet connection is poor. Have you written the classwork as I have shown you in your Google Classroom? Have you done that particular classwork in your notebook?
It's half.
Sorry?
Sir, half.
Why half? It is that much lengthy that you haven't completed the work. You should complete it.
Okay,
Okay?
sir.
So in upcoming leaves that you are going to have, you have to complete all of your notebook work for all the chapters that I have already given you that we have studied in your notebooks. Keep in mind. Okay, ji. The next is Daoud. Yes, Daoud. You want to ask something?
सर
Yes.
सर मेरे पास गूगल की वो ईमेल और पासवर्ड नहीं है.
I had already shown you even in the last class, if you remember. Okay, fine, doesn't matter. When you will log in your Gmail ID, आप Gmail ID अपना खोलोगे और आप जाओगे इस लिंक पे. This is basically the link Google classroom.google.com. Okay, class.
सर मैं
Listen,
सर
first listen.
सर मैं कल परसों तक
You will go to this account classroom.google.com and here you will see that you will find out your classroom with the name of 6C computer science. Okay. एंड अगर यहाँ पर आपके पास नहीं आ रही क्लास तो आप क्लास ज्वाइन करोगे. ज्वाइन के ऑप्शन पे जाओगे. You will go to the join option and you will give this code over there. This is the code that I have already given in the WhatsApp group. If you don't have the code, note it down right now. 3L small l V F A B H. This is case sensitive. Matlab if small letter is there, then you are going to write it in small letters. And if some capital letter is there, then of course you have to write it in capital letters. So here you can see that this is basically your code. When you will go, you will find out all the lessons in chronological order. The last class will be coming in the beginning. Okay?
सर
Yes.
सर मैं कल या परसों तक सर मैं ये कर दूंगा. लेकिन सर मैं भी सुभान को एक बात कहना चाहता हूँ कि वो मुझे काम सेंड कर दे पिछला सारा.
All the work is there. Listen, Daud. You don't take. You don't need to take your work from any other student. All classwork for all the chapters is given in your Google Classroom. It is uploaded in your Google Classroom. For example, I am saying that the classwork is here given over here for the chapter number 5. This is for chapter number 5. You can see over here. Let's suppose if you say that you want to have the work for the chapter number 4, then you will go to the previous classes. Okay, and you will scroll down and you will find out here that even summer break work is there. This is the homework and classwork for the summer break. Summer break classwork and homework, it is given on the 28th of May. Okay, this is given over here. Similarly, if you have to write the classwork and the homework for previous chapter, that is chapter number 4, and you have not written it yet, so you can go to and find it out in your chapter number 4. Okay, so all the material will be there and you will be able to find out from here by going to your classwork. See here that what are different dates, and this is classwork and video for Zoom class 10th May. This is for chapter number 4. Now see here that this is given for chapter number 4, which is about publisher. Again, introduction to publisher. It is basically the chapter number 4. So you can go there and you can have all the work in your Google Classroom for chapter 4, for chapter 3, whatever we have done in these days and the work that we have done online. So you don't need to worry about it because some student will send you the work. No, you have been provided, and I have already told you this thing again and again a number of times. Okay, so you can go to the Google Classroom and over there you can scroll down your work and you can find out the work that is given to you. Okay, for chapter 4, for chapter 3, you will click on the view more option and you will go down the number of lessons that we have uploaded. Just a minute, Darab, you want to ask something? Just a minute. Let me explain this thing. Okay, all the work is there in these lessons, and wherever I have given the classwork and homework, normally I mention in the heading, just like over here, computer science classwork for the week. Now you can see when I click on it, so you will go to there and you will find out that the work is there in the form of a PDF file and you can write your work from here. So in this way, okay, in this way, you have to complete your classwork and your homework. Yes, who is asking anything? Please raise the hand now if you have got any question. Okay, nothing to ask. Now please move to the assignment, the work that we were doing. Now we have to do one other lab activity given on the page number 86. And basically the lab activity here is about lab activity number 3. Lab activity number 3, the vice principal of your school has asked the head girl to design a poster for the environmental quiz to be held in the school on 15 February. There are 3 prizes. First prize 20,000, second prize 15,000, third prize 10,000. Can you help her in this task? So this is the lab activity that we are going to do. Yes, Darab, you want to ask something? Please.
Yes, sir. सर ये जो आपने चैप्टर 4 करवाया है पब्लिशर, इसके अगला कोई चैप्टर नहीं है, बस यही चैप्टर है?
Definitely before that chapter 3 was there. Those questions are
नहीं,
all.
इससे अगला पब्लिशर से अगला कोई अगला इजाफी है चैप्टर?
पब्लिशर के 2 चैप्टर्स हमने पढ़े हैं, चैप्टर नंबर 4 एंड चैप्टर नंबर 5. ये अभी हम जो खत्म कर रहे हैं हम आज जिसको, ये चैप्टर नंबर 5 है जिसकी हम लैब एक्टिविटीज कर रहे हैं. जितनी हो जाएगी आज वो वहां पे एंड हो जाएगा. ओके, सो चैप्टर 4 एंड चैप्टर 5 आर अबाउट पब्लिशर. आफ्टर पब्लिशर देयर इज चैप्टर 6 which is about the programming in small basic that we will start in August. Okay,
Okay, sir.
fine. Yes, Ayan Kamran, unmute your mic. Ayan Kamran, you are in which class? Ayan Kamran? Yes, please. Yes, Ayan Kamran.
Sir, I am in 6C.
So I did not see your name in the last classes. You were not there. Now today you have joined. Can I ask you why?
Sir, I always joined.
You were not there, I think, in the last class. I don't remember your name. You were there. You were there?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Have you completed the classwork and the homework for the chapter number 5 that I had given in the Google Classroom?
No, just some is left.
Why some is left? This is the classwork and the homework given in your Google Classroom, and this was for the chapter number 5. Similarly, for chapter 4 I had given. So have you completed this written work in your notebook?
The notebook work. Yes.
Have you written this?
Yes, I have written this.
Can you see this work on your screen that I am showing you?
Yes, I can see.
Okay, so you have to accomplish this work in your copy, in your notebook of computer science. Are you getting this?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Acha ji, before starting our work, I am going to mark for the attendance. Okay. So these are the students from class fine. Acha ji. Now please move to the problem statement. Okay, the teacher, the vice principal has given the task, make a poster, make a poster in publisher for a quiz competition, environmental quiz competition, and it will be a threefold, it will be basically a normal poster, environment for the environment. How we can make it? How we can make a poster for the environment? Normal poster we have to make it. So we will open Microsoft Publisher. We will take some predefined template. We can also make it from the blank, from scratch, but it depends on us okay, what kind of work we want to do. We can take a blank page if we want to take, and we can go to the insert option or page design option to give some good background to it. We will go to the background option. We can give it a good background color that we want to give. Then we can go to the insert option. We can apply some different shapes in order to make our poster a beautiful poster. So we can draw some different shapes in order to make it beautiful, or to apply different colors. For example, if I want to have a price list over here, so I can draw a shape like this to mention the 3 prizes. Okay, for example, if I have to mention the dates, so I can take some good design to mention the date over here, on which date it is going to be held. Okay, I will double click on it, and I can change by going to the format option. I can change its color and its design. Okay, so what we can do, okay, we can double click on it and we can change its color and its design according to our will, whatever the color we want to give it. If you want to go to the more color options, you can go to the more color options and you can take a good color, whatever the color that you want to have, and you can apply on it. Okay, and you can apply the fill color as well, shape outline and then fill shape. In the fill shape you can apply some good color according to your will. For example, I'm going to mention over here 15th February 2021, because it is mentioned in the it is mentioned in the problem statement it will be held on 15th of February. So I have mentioned 15th February 2021. It will be held on this date. So what we have done, we have mentioned the date 15th, okay, February 2021. So it is basically the date on which the event will be conducted. So we are going to mention here, and then what is basically the topic, we have to mention the topic. So I am going to insert over here one text box to write environment, and I need to increase its size. So I will select the text, I will go to the home menu, I will mention here, okay, and bold and underline. If I want to do, I can change its font style to a good design, whatever I want to have. I can change its font color. Then I want to have a quiz option, so I can go to the insert menu on go online pictures. I will search some logo of the quiz logo, which should look like a colorful image. So I can insert here some logo of the quiz. I should write, if I write only quiz, I may have some good pictures. Okay, this is a good picture that I can insert here. So environment quiz, since it is an environment quiz, so I am going to mention it here and what it is actually about. So I will definitely I will definitely add some detail over here, but over here what I have to write, I will go to the add text option. I will mention about the first prize. First prize is, I think, for 20,000 rupees. As mentioned in the problem statement. Okay. By right clicking, you can add the text on a page. So its size is very large. I think it should be 25. Okay. Then I can change its design. Okay. And its color that I want to give. I can go to the more colors option. I can have some good color scheme in order to mention this text. Now I will copy it and I will paste it because some other prizes are there, and the other prizes are for the second prize is for 15,000. Just a minute, I will take the questions. Second prize is for Yasir Babar. You are this Yasir Badr. This class is not for you. Your class is afterwards. You leave the class and join when your time will come. Okay. You are not in 6C. Leave this class, Yasir. Just a minute, Darab. I am going to take your question. Second prize is there for the 15,000, and the third prize is there for the 10,000. I will have to mention some data related to environment. So I will go to the Google. I will importance of environment or environmental issues. Since I need to have some text to mention, keep your cameras closed as I have told you. These are some of the environmental issues that I have taken because I want to mention these issues in my poster. So I will go to the insert and I will take a text box and I will draw it. I will mention about these things. And I don't want to have any sort of border over here. I will just mention these problems and okay. Fine. So we can also add some more pictures and some things, you know, over here. So now I am going to Yasir Badar. I have told you you are not in this class, so you should leave. If I will remove you, then you will not be able to join the next class. So you should leave this class and join when your class comes, when your time comes. Fine. Yes, Darab, you want to ask something? Yes, Darab Hussain.
यस सर
Yes, please.
सर उस दिन आपने मुझे कहा था कि मेरे पास नहीं है ना, पब्लिशर नहीं है लैपटॉप में। उस दिन आपने मुझे कहा था कि पब्लिशर की लिंक भेजेंगे, आपने भेजी नहीं लिंक।
Okay, so what? Fine, I will find out because normally you install it by the CD. So I will check it on the internet to send you a link. Okay, you can download it from there. You can search it on the Google, but it will be an earlier version that will be available on the Google search. But okay, inshallah, I will upload this link inshallah in your Google Classroom. Fine. Acha ji. So now what we can do over here now? We can apply some different colors on these shapes, you know. Okay. Now we can mention some more things. The name of the school is not there still. We can mention the name of the school logo, and similarly other pictures related to the environment, you know. When we say environment, so there are a number of pictures. If we go to the Google and search out some good pictures, you can see over here some different pictures related to the environment. So we can take any good picture related to the environmental issues. These all are the pictures representing the environment. So we can take any good picture that we would like to have and we can insert it in our work, just like this is a good picture. So we can, what we can do, we can save this image on our desktop and then we can go to the publisher and we can insert, not using online option, using picture option, because this is already saved. We'll go to the downloads desktop and we'll find out, okay, this image is there. Okay. So in this way, we can set up this. If you want to bring this image on it, over it, so what we will do, we will right click on it. Okay, we will have to change the size of the picture in order to adjust it. because by default that picture was drawn first. Okay. Now the prices are also visible, and you know, the date is also visible. You will mention your school name, etc., all these things. Okay, and then it will be basically a complete uh, poster related to the quiz. You can also mention the instructions about okay, how you are going to prepare for this quiz competition, what is the importance of for this quiz competition. You can add text. Okay, so basically it depends on you. Up to here, if you have got any question, please ask me. Please ask the question if you have. Raise the hand and ask the question. Because your class time is now about to over. So if you have got any question, please ask. Nothing is there to ask? Okay. Okay. So should I ask anything? Acha ji. So now please pay attention now. See that there is another lab activity. It is your assignment. See, lab activity number 4. This is your assignment. इसमें क्या बनाना है? You have to make one 3-fold brochure. How we can make a 3-fold brochure? Take new file. Go to the built-in options and go to this option, 4th option, 3-fold brochures. In the 3-fold brochures, you will find out some good design to edit. ये lab activity number 4 है. That you will do yourself. It is your homework. कि खुद ही बनाना है, इसको सेव करना है अपने पीसी पे. You will take some good design, for example this design, and then you will edit it. इसको आप edit करेंगे. कैसे edit करेंगे? You will make changes in it. ये इसका फ्रंट पेज है, ये बैक पेज है, और इसमें इसको हम फोल्ड करते हैं. वी फोल्ड इट इन दिस वे. इसमें इसी में आपने टेक्स्ट ऐड करना है ट्रैवल एंड टूरिज्म से मुतालिक, बिकॉज द असाइनमेंट इज अबाउट द ट्रैवल एंड टूरिज्म. यू नो कैसे एडिट करना है कि यू विल राइट योर कंपनी नेम ओवर हेयर, यू विल राइट योर ऑर्गेनाइजेशन नेम ओवर हेयर, यू विल इंक्लूड द पिक्चर्स. अब हमने इसको एडिट किया है. इफ आई शो यू वन एग्जाम्पल, lab activity number 4. See this example. This is the example where I have edited it. Mohit travel, and then you know, some pictures are there related to the KPK province, because it is mentioned in the problem statement that the traveler is basically, the travel agent is promoting the travel for a particular province. So we have mentioned about KPK, and then the details about different areas, different locations, just like we have mentioned about Naran, Gawan and Sawat, etc., available over there in the KPK. So we have edited this 3-fold brochure for a travel agency. Are you getting this point? So this is your task. You have to do this at your own. Fine. So our class time is now about to over, and it will be over in a minute. So I think after doing all these activities, you are able to make a poster, 3-fold brochure, 1-fold brochure, or such kind of thing, pamphlet, advertisement, such kind of things in your Microsoft Publisher using your own skills by adding pictures and other things. Fine. So thank you so much, all of you. Thanks a lot.